Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a charging port for your let me check out Motorola phone. Okay, Motorola EB40. Now the charging port, you honestly them charging port are not really 100%. Usually everybody get the same problem with them charging port. And now I already take off the old charging port, so this me just show you how we put it on. Basically I have to use a heat gun. I'll show you. Use a heat gun. The camera there. Yeah. Use a heat gun to burn off the charging port. Now what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna use I'm gonna just alright. I'm fortunate when time I burn it off. Forget the old them. If you get the old them clean, usually the old them no come out clean. That's the spot to rest them two leg you're going on. Now, as I say, I'm fortunate to get them clean. So, all I have to do is put it in back now and then sort up everything together. I'm going to show you that now. Let's see if we can put in an angle so everybody can see. If you notice, we make the all the legs them line up. And I'm going to sort up everything together. Sorry, man in the way. Try and see if we can get it proper. That's me hand really in the way we can show me. Alright. I suppose you can do it. First when I started the ground, yeah, the ground legs them basically the legs them hold it on the motherboard. So one you can use the cup solder flux. Make it basically stick faster. The solder melt properly. Jump off. Whoop. Can edit out now. Yeah. Right. We can start that without putting it in the way. Right. As I said before, I'm going to start up the two side legs them. Make sure you say before you start that, make sure you say everything line up. All the legs them line up because you know when you start it, everything basically in the line up and you have problem there for this side of it back again. You have to make sure everything line up before you start it. Get your first leg right there, so. And next thing, make sure you say lay down flat on the motherboard because you don't want the legs them a cock up. Yeah, alright. As we say, I go start at the legs them now. You have to make sure your solder iron clean, clean off the solder tip.
So it take long to upload. So
And put some flux on the tip, that's why I see it as smoke. So alright, we can see me now. You can see me on the solder legs now. Basically like that. Usually when I use still, I kind of use a pin. Use a pin and check the legs them. Actually the legs them to fine. Use a pin and check them to see if them solder properly. Alright, let me see if you can see it now. Right. Use a pin and basically just barely push the legs them. Alright, I have to see if them solder properly. If them not really move, basically it's hard them solder properly. You understand? And that's it. We solder it together now. Solder everything together. Then I'm going to put everything together and test the phone. If everything will work properly. So we'll come back. Alright, this is the finished product now. You can see me not finish close it up yet. Just put on everything for test it. See there? Charging now. So that's how you fix the charging port. You change the charging port at least. See? See? Stop charge. Plug it in back. Okay. Start charge. So that's it. So you know, say if you want your charging port change for your phone, your tablet, you can carry come a game repair and accessory. We can do it for you. As you just see. And if you want to see more, if you want to watch it again, if you want to see more, you can check out my YouTube channel. This is the first video still, but I'm going to upload some more. You can subscribe to the channel to see more videos. I'm going to try to do it on a weekly basis. Alright, thanks for watching.